Think style, class and flair for your indoor spaces. Think Timbarra. Signature's versatile yet practical vinyl plank range for classic and contemporary homes. These 1.5 metre planks mimic wood's natural grains and textures to perfection, with 10 references including Aussie species and oak designs. Thanks to a superior 5-layer construction, Timbarra planks are durable and long-lasting. They're also scratch and stain resistant, making them ideal for active homes with children and pets. Since Timbarra is waterproof, you can install them without a worry in moisture-prone areas like kitchens, bathrooms and laundries. Robust enough to tackle busy lifestyles, but soft enough for walking comfort. Planks feel warm to step on, even with bare feet. Easy and hassle-free to maintain, let Timbarra give your home a new lease of life. The online floor visualizer is perfect for visualizing Timbarra floors in your room. Also, enjoy the convenience of ordering free samples delivered straight to your doorstep. Explore the Timbarra vinyl plank flooring collection today.